Pronounced, defined, used in lexical dispatch.
Heinous, adjective, heinously, heinousness, exceptionally atrocious or abominable. Example, a heinous crime, intensely hateful or reprehensible in a moral or ethical sense. Example, heinous betrayal. The dictator was known for his heinous acts of violence against civilians. Committing fraud against the elderly is a particularly heinous crime. The jury was horrified by the heinous nature of the defendant's actions. Terrorism is universally condemned as a heinous offense. The novel's villain carried out heinous deeds without remorse. The suspect acted heinously, leaving no room for sympathy. The corporation heinously exploited its workers to maximize profits. Betraying a friend's trust so heinously is unforgivable. The heinousness of the crime shocked even seasoned investigators. No punishment seemed adequate given the sheer heinousness of the act. The prosecutor emphasized the heinousness of the defendant's conduct. Key tips for test takers, TOEFL, SAT, GRE, and GMAT. 1. Likely question formats. Synonym selection. Heinous versus atrocious, abominable, egregious, odious. Antonym selection. Heinous versus virtuous, noble, commendable. Sentence completion. The serial killer's blank crimes left the community in terror. Answer: heinous. Analogies. Heinous is to wickedness versus generous is to benevolence. Degree relationship. 2. Common confusables. Heinous versus hateful. Heinous implies extreme moral outrage, while hateful is broader. Heinous versus egregious. Both mean bad, but egregious is often used for mistakes, while heinous is for moral evils. Heinous versus odious. Odious is more about disgust, while heinous is about shocking evil. 3. Relevant idioms or phrases, rare but useful for context. A heinous crime against humanity, common in formal or political discourse. The heinousness of the act defied comprehension, used in legal or ethical debates. 4. Test-taking strategies. TOEFL. Expect heinous in reading passages about crime, ethics, or history. SAT, GRE, GMAT. Likely appears in harder vocabulary questions, often as a high-level synonym for evil. Trap answers. Avoid words like harmful or unpleasant. They're too weak.